In my previous problem set of chain rule, I have solved 1 to 10 problems. Today I will solve from 11 to 23 or 24. But in my previous, I have done a small mistake in number 9. Look at here. Just there is a mistake I will tell at that point. Y is equal to sine this. Answer is there is differentiation of sine this is cos this into d by dx this. And you apply u v derivative u minus u derivative v by v square. Then you solve. I have done at this point I have done a mistake. 2x into minus 2. I have not written it as minus 4x. Mistakenly I have done it is minus 2x, but it is really minus 4x. So you can rectify this. I am sorry for it. Now I will solve. I am going to solve number 11 onwards. Take the screenshot from problem 11 to 23. Now question number 11. It is d by dx of tan qx. First you have to know what is this. D by dx. It is tan x whole cube. And the formula is box to the power 3. And you know what is the formula of box to the power 3? You know it previously. What is the formula of box to the power n? Anything to the power n. It is n box to the power n minus 1 into d by dx of that box. And it is for box to the power 3. 3 box power 3 minus 1. 2 into d by dx of this box. Now it is what? It is 3 tan x whole square into d by dx of tan x. Now it is 3 tan x whole square, tan square x into d by dx of tan x. The answer is sec square x. Okay, number 14. Now number 12 is like number 11. You can do it. Now I am doing number 13. Number 13, look at here. This is u, this is v. If you apply the formula of u, v, then it is very lengthy. U derivative v plus v derivative u, that is very lengthy. And these are two things. We should make it as one thing. Look at how. This is d by dx. Now I multiply 4 sine square x into cos square x. If I multiply 4, then I will divide it by 4. What will be the answer? Now this 1 by 4 is what? This 1 by 4 is constant. It will come outside. 1 by 4 d by d. It is 4 sine square x cos square x. That means it is 2 sine x into cos x whole square. And we know 1 by 4 d by dx. 2 sine x into cos x. It is what? It is sine 2x. So the question comes to this point. It is sine 2x whole square. And we know d by dx of box square. Answer is 2 box into d by dx of box. D by dx of box. Then what it will be this? 1 by 4 into 2 sine 2x. It is box to the power 2 minus 1. Box to the power 2 minus 1 means what? Box to the power 2 minus 1 means what? Box to the power 1 means 2 box 2 sine 2x into d by dx of sine 2x. It is 1 by 4 into 2 sine 2x into d by dx of sine 2x. It is clearly cos 2x into d by dx of this 2x. Sine box. Sine box, it is cos box into d by dx of this 2x. Now look at here. I am going to this line, you take the screenshot. Now it is 1 by 4. 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. You know the formula 2 sin A into cos A. What is the answer? 2 sin A into cos A. It is sin 2A. So sin 1 by 4 into sin 2A. A means what? 2x into d by dx of sin 2x 1 by 2. It is 1 by 8 into sin 4x. You may verify your answer. Your answer may be 1 by 2. It may be or 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 into 2 sin 2x into cos 2x into half. Answer will 2 will cancel. Answer will be 1 by 4 sin 2x into cos 2x. It may or it may be the answer. Okay? Now in number 14, it is u, this part is u and this part is your v, product rule. Then what you will do? You put sin 5x here, take d by dx of cos 7x into, plus, you take sin 5x outside, now you have to take cos 7x outside into d by dx of sin 5x. So what will be the answer? The answer will sin 5x into derivative of cos box, you know it, minus sin box into d by dx of box. Box means what here? 7x plus cos 7x into d by dx of sin 5x. It is cos 5x into d by dx of 5x. What will be the answer? Minus sin 5x into sin 7x into 7 plus what? Cos 7x into cos 5x into d by dx of 5x. It is 5. But if you will not apply the product rule, you can also do it. Now, I can do it also, not applying the product rule, you can do it also very comfortably. 1 by 2, I multiply half and 2 here. Now 1 by 2 d by dx. I put 7x in first place and 5x in this place. And you know the formula 2 cos A sin B. What is the formula of 2 cos A sin B? 2 cos A sin B. It is sin A minus B minus sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, now apply this formula. It is sin first A plus B, 7x plus 5x. It is 12x plus minus sin 7x minus 5x. It is what? 2x. It is 1 by 2 into, what is derivative of, you can take the derivative of sin 12x, then take the derivative of sin 2x. Sin 12x, is, what is its derivative? It is cos 12x into d by dx of what? 12x minus sin 2x, it is cos 2x into d by dx of 2x. Then now the answer is what? Answer is 1 by 2, 12 cos 12x minus 2 cos 2x. And you can cancel 2. Answer will be 6 cos 12x minus cos 2x. Okay. You don't think the first answer and the second answer, they are different. There the answer are in 7x, 5x. Here 12x, 2x. So if you will apply this 12x, 7x plus 5x, then apply the formula cos A plus B and here 2x, 7x minus 5x, and applying the formula cos A minus B, then you will get that point. But it is not required in the examination hall. Now number 15. This is u into v. If we will do by u into v method, then it is lengthy. U derivative v plus v derivative u. Okay. If you will apply it in very short manner, you can do it like this. You know the formula of cot 2x. What is the formula of cot 2x? And you know it is a cot square x minus 1 by 2 cot x. But I am not asking you that formula. You apply the formula for tan x here, which is in cot 2x. It is naturally in 1 by tan 2x. And you know the formula of tan 2x is what? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. It is 1 by 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Naturally formula will what? 1 minus tan square x. So this is d by dx 1 minus tan square, d by dx tan x into, what is cot 2x? Look at here, 1 minus tan square x by 2 tan x. So cancelling this part, what will happen? Now 2 is in denominator, take it outside, d by dx of 1 minus tan square x, and it becomes on the next step 1 by 2 d by dx of 1 minus d by dx of tan square x, and you know it is tan x whole square. Then what will happen? 1 by 2, you know its answer is what? It is 0, so no, not required to write, minus 2 into what? Tan x into d by dx of tan x, and you know d by dx of tan x is what? Sec square x. Now answer is what? Minus 2 cancel, minus tan x into sec square x. Okay. Now look at this problem. You know the formula of d by dx of root box of, it is comfortably 1 by 2 root box into d by dx of that box. So what? You put it in a box, sine root x. It is inside the box. What will be the answer? Answer is 1 by 2 root over of sine root x. Root over of sine root x. Sine root x into d by dx. Look at here. There is no root over sine here. Only sine root x. And sine root x. And you know the formula. It is 1 by 2 root over of sine root x into, what is the formula of d by dx of sine box? Sine box. What is this? It is cos box into d by dx of that box. What will be here the answer? Here it is cos root x into d by dx. Look at here, this is your box, sine root x. Don't write d by dx 2 times. Many students writing like this. It is very mistake. It is 1 by 2 root over sine root x into d cos root x. You write it cos root x, okay, 1 by, into cos root x into, what is d by dx of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So answer is what? 2 into 2, 4. 4 root x should come to this point, root x into root over of sine root x into d by dx into, it is cos root x. This is the answer. Now number 17. D by dx of sec 2x plus 1 whole root over. Now you know d by dx of root anything is 1 by 2 root that thing into d by dx of that box. It is simply, here it is box. What will be the answer? 1 by 2 root over of sec 2x plus 1 into d by dx of box. What is box? Inside it is 2x, sec 2x plus 1. And you know the formula of sec box. What is the formula of sec box? Sec x formula, sec x into tan x, sec box. 1 by 2 root over sec 2x plus 1 into sec 2x plus 1 into tan 2x plus 1 into d by dx of what? 2x plus 1. The answer will be what? Answer will be 1 by 2 root over of sec 2x plus 1 into sec 2x plus 1 into tan 2x plus 1 into what? Into 2. 2 cancel. Here what? Sec 2x plus 1. Here sec 2x plus 1 root over. The answer will be sec 2x plus 1 root over into tan 2x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now look at the problem number 18. It is sec ax plus b the whole square. Don't think it is sec square ax plus b. Never think it. So now I am going to solve this sec ax plus b whole square. It is sec box. Now answer is what? Cosec box. Answer is minus, you know the formula of d by dx of cosec box. What is the answer? Is minus cosec box into cot box into d by dx of what? That box. So the answer is what? Cosec ax plus b square whole square into cot ax plus b the whole square into d by dx of ax plus b whole square. Then tell me the what is the, you know, a, b are constants. X is sorry, excuse me, minus cosec ax plus b whole square into cot x plus b whole square, and you know the formula d by dx box square. What is the answer? Box square. Box square is 2 box. 2 box means 2 into x plus b into d by dx of ax plus b. What will be the answer? Answer will minus cosec ax plus b square into cot ax plus b square into 2 into ax plus b, 2ax plus b, and derivative of x plus b, derivative of x is a, derivative b is 0. So the final answer is what? A. And arranging it, 2a constants come to the front, then ax plus b, into cosec ax plus b whole square into cot ax plus b. Okay. Now look at this problem. A to the power ln x. We know a to the power box is what? A to the power box ln a into d by dx of ln a. So here very simple, it is a to the power, what is this box? Box is what? Ln x. A to the power ln x into ln a, this a, into d by dx of that box. What is that box? It is ln x. So what will be the answer? It will become a to the power ln x into ln a into d by dx of ln x. That is 1 by x. I am writing it a to the power ln x into ln a by x is the answer. Now I am going to solve number 20. Now d by dx a to the power x square into b to the power x cube. So we know the product rule, u into derivative of b plus b derivative of u. What you will do here? A to the power x square keeping outside, taking derivative of b to the power x cube plus b to the power x cube keeping outside, taking derivative of a to the power x square. Okay, it is a to the power x square into what is the derivative of b to the power box. You know a, b are constants, and a to the power box, the formula is a to the power box ln a. So here what is the answer? B to the power x cube into ln b. First you have to write this, then you have to do d by dx. What is d by dx of what? D by dx of x cube. This is the box. A or b, both are constants. B to the power box, a to the power x square, b x cube ln b, then d by dx of x cube plus it is b to the power x cube into a to the power x square ln a into d by dx of what? X square. Now answer is what? A to the power x square into b to the power x cube into ln b into what is the derivative of x cube? It is clearly 3x square plus b to the power x cube into a to the power x square ln a into what? 2x. So taking common, what you have to take common? A to the power x square into b to the power x cube. Then it becomes what? X square into 3 ln b. Then plus what? You have to take x, then 2 ln a. Then it becomes what? A to the power x square, b to the power x cube into x square into ln b cube plus x ln a square. Okay. Otherwise you can do it in this manner like this, or here one x is there, here an x square there x. So take common a to the power x square, b to the power x cube into x, it becomes. So write it first. 2 ln a plus, you have to take common x. Now another x is here, 3 x ln b. It is the answer. Now look at the problem. It is very simple. D by dx ln tan x. This is some very simple formula. D by dx ln box 1 by box. 1 by box means 1 by what? Tan x into d by dx of what? Box. Box means what? Tan x. It is 1 by tan x into d by dx of tan x is what? Sec square x. And you should know the formula of sec square x. And sec square x is 1 plus tan square x. This is what? 1 plus tan square x. By what? Tan x. Then you may do it 1 by tan x. That is cot x. And you can do it tan square x by tan x. That is what? Tan x. So answer is tan square x, cot x plus tan x. Now number 22. It is 5 to the power sin x square. Means it is 5 to the power box. 5 to the power box, it is what? 5 to the power sine x square ln a, means it is 5 into d by dx of, and you should remember this formula, a to the power box is a to the power box ln a. What is the condition? Remember it, it is a greater than 0, but a not equal to 1. Here a is what? 5 into d by dx of sine x square. It is 5 to the power sine x square into ln 5, it is sine x square. It is sine x square ln 5 d by dx of sine box. What is the value of sine box? Derivative of sine box? It is cos x square. I am putting this here. Cos x square into d by dx of what? X square. The answer is what? 5 to the power sine x square into ln 5 into cos x square into what? 2x. Now you can write it 2x ln 5 into cos x square into 5 to the power sine x square. Okay? Now this problem d by dx ln tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay? Now you have to do what? First I read the word ln, then everything in box. So ln, what is in box? Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. You have to put 1 by, you know the formula of ln box, that is 1 by box d by dx of box. So here 1 by tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 into d by dx of what? Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now it is what? 1 by tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 into, what is d by dx of tan box? It is clearly sec square box. Box means what? Pi by 4 plus x by 2 into d by dx of what? D by dx of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now very interesting thing is there. What is sec square theta? It is, now in place of sec square I am writing 1 plus tan square. It is what? Pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now look at here. What is the denominator here? Tan pi by 4 plus what? Pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now d by dx of pi by 4. Pi is a constant quantity. So also pi by 4. So d by dx of pi by 4 is what? 0. And d by dx of x by 2. Some students ask me this. D by dx of 5x. What you do? Taking 5 outside because it is constant. D by dx of x. D by dx of x means 1 into x to the power 0. And the result is 1. It is 5. Similarly, d by dx of x by 2. What is d by dx of x by 2? It is clearly 1 by 2 will go outside. D by dx of x is 1. So, this answer is what? 1 by 2. Now, look at here. Look at here. What is the answer of pi by 4 plus x by 2? So, our answer is half. So, you have to multiply half here. You multiply this. Half. It becomes, now apply the formula. 1 plus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. You know the formula. Sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? It is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If the formula is 1 plus tan square theta by 2 tan theta, then it becomes what? Cosec 2 theta is 1 plus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. So it becomes what? Now the derivative becomes what? Now the differentiation becomes dy by dx. This is dy by dx. I am writing dy by dx is equal to cosec 1 plus tan square theta. This is theta. 1 plus tan square theta by 2 tan theta is equal to cosec 2 theta. 2 theta. Theta means what? Pi by 4 plus x by 2. Look at here. It is cosec 2 theta. Here it is theta. Here it is theta. Then tell me what will be the answer. And you know it. Answer is cosec 2 into pi by 4. It is what? Pi by 2. 2 into x by 2. It is what? X. And cosec pi by 2 plus x. What is cosec pi by 2? It is pi by 2. Plus x means you are coming to this place. And you know it is all positive. And here two things are positive. Sine positive and what positive? Cosec positive. Since cosec is coming to this quadrant. This is quadrant number 2. So the answer is positive. And since it is odd number is here. If any odd number into pi by 2, then cosec becomes sec, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan becomes cut, cut becomes tan. So here cosec, so it becomes what? Sec. And the answer is sec x plus sec x. Remember it again. If cosec odd pi by 2, cosec this one is what? This is 1. 1 means it is odd. If any odd, then it will change its place. Cosec becomes sec. Cosec x becomes sec x. And due to the second quadrant, cosec in quadrant 2. Cosec in quadrant what? This is quadrant. This is in quadrant. I am writing this is quadrant 2. Okay, this is in quadrant 2. So when it is in quadrant 2, it becomes what? It becomes quadrant 2. It is positive. So it is written as positive. Okay. Now number 24. You look at here. D by dx of a to the power root x whole to the power root. I have written the formula. Root box. What is root box? Root box. Formula is what? 1 by 2 root box. 1 by 2 root box a to the power root x into d by dx of what? A to the power root x. Answer is what? 1 by 2 root over a root x into what is a to the power box? A to the power box formula a to the power root x into ln a into d by dx of what? Root x. Answer will be 1 by 2 root over a to the power root x into a to the power root x. Suppose this is t. I can write it this root into root over into again a to the power root x. Can I write or not? Suppose this is y. Suppose total is y. Root y into root y. Again I am writing ln a. Again I am writing derivative of root x. 1 by 2 root x. So one part is cancelled. Which one? Suppose this one cancel. Okay. Now the answer is what? Answer will be 2 to 4 root x. Oh, a to the power. It is a to the power root x into ln a divided by 2 into 2, 4 root x. This is the answer of this problem. E to the power ln e to the power this much. It is 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx, which is written in that formula. Number 1, this formula. Into d by dx of e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. So the answer is what? 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx into e to the power nx d by dx of e to the power nx plus d by dx of e to the power minus nx. D by dx of e to the power nx is what? E to the power nx into d by dx of nx plus e to the power minus nx into d by dx of what? Minus nx. It becomes what? It is 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx into, what is the derivative of, it is e to the power nx into d by dx of nx. You know it is clearly what? It is clearly n, because n will go outside. D by dx of x is 1 into n plus e to the power minus nx into d by dx of minus nx. The answer is what? Minus n. Now what will come outside? N will come outside. The answer will become what? N e to the power nx minus e to the power minus nx divided by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. So this is the answer. Okay. Now look at this problem 26. D by dx of e to the power a to the power root x. This is e to the power box. First formula apply. E to the power box a to x into d by dx of ax root of. It is e to the power root x into d by dx of root box. Formula is 1 by 2 root box x into d by dx of what? Ax. It becomes what? E to the power root ax by 2 root ax, means root a into root x into ax. It is what? A will come outside. D by dx of x is 1. Now a root a, it will cancel. It becomes here root a. It becomes 1 by 2. It is root a by root a by root x. You cancel. So root a in numerator, root x in denominator. E to the power what? Ax root over. I also can write it as what? Ax, a by x whole root over. Okay. Now you know the root over root box. It is 1 by 2 root box, means 1 by into d by dx of log x. Log x means you should think it is base e. 1 by 2 root over of log x into d by dx of log x. It is 1 by x. Look at number 28. It is d by dx of this difference e to the power sin x minus d by dx. It is a to the power cos x. Then e to the power sin x. E to the power box. Answer will have e to the power sin x into derivative of sin x. D by dx of what? Sin x. Then minus a to the power cos x. A to the power cos x into ln a into d by dx of what? Cos x. Answer will be e to the power sin x into d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. Minus a to the power cos x into ln a. What is the derivative of cos x? It is minus sin x. So the final answer is what? E to the power sin x into cos x plus a to the power cos x into sin x into ln a. Okay. Now this is the problem number 29, d by dx of u by v. This is in the form of u by v, and you know it is the formula v derivative of u. Here v means ln sin x into d by dx of e to the power 3x square minus u. U means e to the power 3x square into d by dx of ln sin x. Okay, divided by ln sin x. It's a whole square. It becomes what? It becomes ln sin x into e to the power 3x square. It is e to the power 3x square into derivative of 3x square. 6x minus e to the power 3x square into d by dx of ln box. You know it is 1 by box, means 1 by sin x, into d by dx of this. It is cos x by ln sin x whole square. Many of my students done, they cancel this ln x with this ln x square with this ln x. Never do like that. These are two terms, so they will never cancel with this. Okay. Now take common. What are the common things? Tell me. It becomes e to the power 3x square into e to the power 3x square into so taking common e to the power 3x square, it becomes 6x ln sin x. 6x ln sin x. Okay, it's correct. Now minus, this is cos by sin cot, minus cot x by what? By ln sin x whole square. Okay. Next video I will do the number 30 problem and some extra problems which deals only the derivative of trigonometric functions. Okay.